Hello everyone, this is Kay. Today we are going to do a walkthrough of how to put in a minor infraction. So the first thing that we're going to do, of course, we're going to go to IlluminateEd.com and log in. On your screen, you should see Rowe Elementary School pop up. This will be both for the elementary and the middle school. Now once we're signed in, we'll come to the home screen. If we are looking to put in infractions, we'll start on the left side with behaviors. Give that a click. This will be a minor incident. We'll click again. We'll look for the date here. The date will be, let's just, for example, do today. Make sure that the time is correct. AM. This happened at Rowe Middle School. We're going to say classroom, but there are also options to put in incidences that happen in the hallway, in the restroom, office, cafeteria, and so on. We'll say classroom this time around. And today we're going to keep it simple. And from all of the options that we have under short description, we'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and just put in a regular tardy. Under detailed description, you'll put something thorough, such as the scholar was late for third block math. That way I have the block number and the subject, so when I go back to check on this scholar's behavior, I'll easily be able to see what classes he's tardy for and what classes he can get there on time. Now when putting in a scholar's name, Illuminate will autofill it for you. So if I'm going to put in, for example, Adrian, I see all the options of Adrians we have in our system, both the elementary or the middle school. We're going to select a graduated student. Motivation notes, intervention, all of these are not too important. The last two things we need to make sure that we fill out are the consequence. With a minor incident, we will most likely be giving the scholar a lunch detention as a consequence. So we will click lunch detention. And then under status report, we will click complete and then create minor incident report. A copy of the report will then pop up on your screen, and then you will know your report is complete. Thank you.